You searched how to buy shares of Nanoform Finland Plc. Nanoform is a Finnish nanotechnology company focused on particle engineering for pharmaceuticals. It trades on CBOE EU under the ticker NANOFH.HE. And this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NANOFH.HE to find the listing. Select the result that shows Nanoform Finland Plc on CBOE EU to open the asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Check that the company name, ticker, and exchange match Nanoform Finland Plc on CBOE EU. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set to execute at market open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.